So what could happen if we don't take steps to stop climate change now? Well, there are things that we know and things that we don't know that will happen. No one has ever dumped so much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere before, and we will have to live in and with whatever happens as a result. So in a certain way, climate change is a little like doing an experiment on ourselves. And we're not quite sure what the results will be, but here is what we do know. The sea level could rise anywhere from a few inches to enough to change the way the coasts look. Some places will get more rain than they're used to, and some places will get less. Some places that are not deserts now could become deserts. Birds, plants, and animals on land and in the sea will have to change their living habits as the places they live in or the food that they eat change or disappear. Some species will be able to change, and some will not. Those that can find a way to live in the new conditions will do just fine in the new climate. Those that cannot change their habits may become extinct. Weather patterns may change. Since warmer air can hold more water vapor, storms may increase in strength. For those areas that get drier, forest fires and brush fires could become more common. For those areas that get wetter, floods could become more common. Some people living in areas strongly affected by climate change might have to move. As you think of what climate change will do, it is important to remember what it does not do. Climate change does not cause earthquakes to happen. It does not cause volcanoes to erupt or tsunamis to come to our shores. Those are caused by processes deep within the earth. Climate change is happening now and is a problem for many people around the world today. How long will it take before climate change becomes a problem for the rest of us? Again, this is something scientists are not sure of right now. Remember, no one has ever done this before. You won't see change in a day or a week or a month, but over the course of several decades, we could see major change. We also know that the effects of what we put into the air today will not be felt for several decades. So if we want to stop climate change, we can't wait until we see the effects before we start to act. Use the activities in this section of the course to learn more about what may or may not happen as human beings cause our world to warm.